Good morning, students. Last class 30 completed, 31 you see. Light of wavelength 500 nanometer is incident on a metal with work function 2.28 electron volt. The de Broglie wavelength of the emitted electron is incident wavelength 500 nanometer. So lambda value 500 nanometer means we will write 5000 angstrom unit. Incident wavelength, find the incident energy. So incident energy in terms of electron volt E is equal to 12,400 by lambda. Here lambda should be in angstrom unit. Then energy will come in electron volt. That is the shortcut. So 12,400 by 5,000. We will get this value as, if you calculate, 2.48 electron volt. This is the incident energy. Find the what we have to wavelength of the emitted electrons. We will find Ke. So for Einstein's photoelectric equation, E is equal to W plus Ke. This will be 2.48. Work function they gave 2.28 plus Ke. So here Ke value we will get it as 0.2 electron volt. Convert this into joules. 0.2 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joules. This is the kinetic energy. Okay. Then find the de Broglie wavelength. Lambda is equal to from lambda is equal to h by root of 2m Ke, 6.6 into 10 power minus 34. Mass of the electron is constant, 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. Ke value, this one, 0.2 into 1.6 means this will be 0.32 into 10 power minus 19. 0.32 into 10 power minus 19. Definitely you have to use the calculator. Without that it will be little bit difficult. You take it as 9. 0.64 means it will be 8. Like that, without calculator also will get. If we calculate, finally we will get this value as 2.735 into 10 power minus 9 meter you will get. So, de Broglie wavelength of the emitted electron must be greater than or equal to 2.8. So, lambda greater than or equal to 2.8 into 10 power minus 19. Because this is this value we will write it as 2.8 into 10 power minus 9 meter. Now, if incident energy increases, what will happen? Automatically Ke will increase. So de Broglie wavelength will minimum value is this one, or more than that we will get. So this will be the answer for it. So option for this will be 31. It will be fourth option. Clear? Next. 32 you see. What they are asking. Photoelectric surface is illuminated successively by monochromatic light of wavelength lambda and lambda by 2. Maximum kinetic energy of the emitted electrons in the second case is 3 times that in the first case. The work function of the surface of the material is in terms of H. So, formula is what? Hc by lambda is W plus Ke. This is the formula. In the first case, incident wavelength is lambda only. Work function we had to calculate. Let the released kinetic energy is Ke only. Let it be 1. In case 2, wavelength becomes lambda by 2. W won't change. Kinetic energy becomes 3 times of the kinetic energy in the case 1. So I am writing 3 Ke. So 2 Hc by lambda, 2 will go to the numerator. W plus 3 Ke. From this Ke value is there, na? That you substitute here, you will get the answer. 2 Hc by lambda, W plus 3 into, from equation 1, Ke value will be Hc by lambda minus W. Okay. So, if we rearrange the terms, 2 Hc by lambda is equal to W plus 3 Hc by lambda minus 3W. W minus 3W will be minus 2W, you bring to this side. So 2W is equal to 3 Hc by lambda minus 2 Hc by lambda. So this value Hc by lambda, W is equal to Hc by 2 lambda. So 32, it will be second option. Clear? Next 33. What they are asking, see. Let's see. Electron of mass m and photon having same energy. Ratio of de Broglie wavelengths associated with them will be. Okay. So, ratio of de Broglie wavelengths associated with the electron and photon. For electron, lambda E is equal to H by root of 2m into E. For photon, lambda P is equal to H by P. We will write it as Hc by E. Divide this to lambda E by lambda P. H by root 2me divided by Hc by E. Okay, this is H by root 2me into E by Hc. H will cancel. So 1 by C. This E also we will write in the square root, E square by 2me. So 1 by C, E will cancel, E by 2m power 1 by 2. So 33, it will be first option. Clear? Next, 34. What they are asking, 34. When a metallic surface is illuminated with radiation of wavelength lambda, the stopping potential will be V. If the same surface is illuminated with radiation of wavelength 2 lambda, the stopping potential is V by 4. The threshold wavelength is same from Hc by lambda is equal to Hc by lambda naught plus EVS. In case 1, incident wavelength will be lambda, stopping potential is V. Hc by lambda is equal to Hc by lambda naught plus EV. In second case, incident wavelength is 2 lambda. Hc by 2 lambda. This work function won't change. E into V by 4. Okay. We have to find lambda naught. Here EV value you substitute here, you will get the answer. Okay. What to do? Hc by 2 lambda, right, as it is, this one. Hc by lambda naught plus 1 by 4. EV place, this EV we will substitute. Hc by lambda minus Hc by lambda naught. So Hc by 2 lambda is equal to Hc by lambda naught plus Hc by 4 lambda minus Hc by 4 lambda naught. We have to find lambda naught in terms of lambda. Simple only. You bring this term to this side. Hc by 2 lambda minus Hc by 4 lambda. In this, take Hc by lambda naught common. 1 minus 1 by 4. Here Hc by 2 you take common. C by 2 lambda you take common. 1 minus 1 by 2. Hc by lambda naught into 3 by 4. Hc will cancel. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 4, 1 by 2. So finally 1 by 4 lambda is equal to 3 by 4 lambda naught. So lambda naught is equal to 3 lambda. Okay. Threshold wavelength value will be 3 lambda. So 34, it will be 4th option. Clear? Next, 35. What they are asking, see. Electron of mass m and de Broglie wavelength lambda falls on a target in a X-ray tube. Cutoff wavelength lambda naught of the emitted X-ray is. Okay. Energy relation between kinetic energy and momentum, E is equal to P square by 2m. P value we can write it as h by lambda by 2m. Lambda will be de Broglie wavelength. So this value how much? H square by 2m lambda square. This is the equation 1. Next, another formula for energy will be h nu naught we will write it as hc by lambda naught. Equate these two from 1 and 2. hc by lambda naught, h square by 2m lambda square, 1h you cancel. C by lambda naught, h by 2m lambda square. Take cross multiplication. C into 2m lambda square is h lambda naught. Then lambda naught is equal to C 2m lambda square by h. So what will be the option for this? Means 2mc lambda square by h. It will be first option. Clear? Next, 36. See. Photons with energy 5 electron volt is incident on a cathode C in a photoelectric cell. The maximum energy of the emitted photoelectrons is 2 eV. When photons of energy 6 eV is incident on C, no photoelectron will reach the anode. If the stopping potential A relative to C is, okay, 5 eV incidented first. In case 1, E is equal to W plus EVS. Initially 5 eV incidented. W we don't know. This value they gave 2 eV kinetic energy. So W value will be 3 eV. Now in case 2, 6 eV is incidented. W already we got 3 plus EVS. Then EVS is equal to 3 volt. Okay. Here negative potential given to the collector to stop these electrons they are asking. So that value will be equal to minus 3 volt. Okay, for collector. For emitter, how much negative potential they are asking. So this value, therefore, potential given to what they are asking for, given rich anode. Actually, this is cathode. Minus 3 volt. Okay. Or emitter, you can take any term. For potential given to emitter, from the emitter electrons are coming. If we give negative potential, it will stop that. So minus 3 volt, that is. So 36 it will be fourth option. Next, 37. What they are asking. de Broglie wavelength of neutron in thermal equilibrium with heavy water at a temperature capital T of Mond mass m is. Lambda value will be h by mv. H by root of 2m ke. h by square root of 2m into this Ke value in terms of Boltzmann constant 3 by 2 kT. 2 will cancel, then h by square root of 3m kT. This is the formula for it. So 37, it will be first option. Next, 38. Photoelectric threshold wavelength for the silver is 3250 into 10 power minus 10. Velocity of the electrons emitted from the silver surface by ultraviolet wavelength of 2536 into 10 power minus 10 meter. Okay. HC by little bit patience you have to do this problem. HC by lambda naught is equal to HC by lambda naught plus half mv square. This is 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 into 3 into 10 power 8 C value. How much wavelength is incident? 2536 into 10 power minus 10. 6.6 into 10 power minus 34. 3 into 10 power 8. Incident wavelength, threshold wavelength will be 3250 into 10 power minus 10 plus half. Mass of the electron 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 into V square. So if we calculate, finally we will get V value as approximately equal to 0.6 into 10 power 6 meter per second. With little bit patience you solve this one. Compulsorily calculator is required. Try to solve this one. You will get the value as 0.6 into 10 power 6. Okay. 38, it will be first option. Next, 39. What they are asking. Electron of mass m with initial velocity v naught I cap enters an electric field E bar is equal to minus E naught j I cap if lambda naught is its de Broglie wavelength initially, then its de Broglie wavelength at time t will be how much? De Broglie wavelength formula, lambda is equal to h by mv. V is the velocity after time t. First we will find v. From v is equal to u plus at. Initial velocity v naught. A is equal to eq by m. So e by m and time value will be t. Here V naught I will take common. So V naught, here 1 will come. Here EET by M V naught, because V naught is not there here. Okay. Then V naught we got, then find lambda. Lambda is equal to H by MV. H by MV naught. into 1 plus EET by mv naught. H by mv naught will be lambda naught, initial de Broglie wavelength. So lambda naught by 1 plus EET by mv naught. Okay. So 39, it will be third option. Okay. Next, 40. What they are asking. See. When light of frequency 2 nu naught is incident on a metal plate, maximum velocity of the electrons emitted is V1. When the frequency of the incident radiation is increased to 5 nu naught, that is, take it as nu naught, the maximum velocity of the electrons emitted in the second from the same plate is V2. Then the ratio of V1 by V2 is, so same, from H nu naught is equal to H nu naught plus half mv square in case 1. Incident wavelength is 2 nu naught. Threshold wavelength 2 nu naught only, plus half m v1 square. So half m v1 square is equal to h nu naught. Next, in case 2, incident wavelength will be 5 nu naught is equal to, work function same, velocity will be V2. So 4h nu naught, na? So half m V2 square, 4h nu naught. Divide this to 1 by 2. Half m V1 square by half m V2 square, h nu naught by 4h nu naught. So V1 square by V2 square is equal to 1 by 2. V1 by V2, 1 by 4. V1 by V2 is equal to 1 by 2. So 40, it will be third option. Clear? Next. What they are asking, see. Electron is accelerated through a potential difference of 10,000 volt. De Broglie wavelength is. So for electron, 12.27 by root V. For electron, 12.27 by 10,000. 12.27 by 100. So this value will be 12.27 into 10 power minus 2 angstrom unit. 12.27 into 1 angstrom means 10 power minus 10. Here 10 power minus 2 is there. Finally 12.27 into 10 power minus 12 meter. 41, it will be second option. Next, 42. what they are giving. Energy required to break one bond in DNA is 10 power minus 20 joules. This value in electron volt is energy given in joules. They are asking convert that into electron volt. 10 power minus 20 joules. 10 power minus 20 divided by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. 1 by 1.6 means 0.625 into 10 power minus 1 electron volt. 0.0625 electron volt. So option for this will be fourth option. Last year paper, simple questions these are. Next, 43. Electron is accelerated from the rest through a potential difference of V volt. De Broglie wavelength associated with the electron is 1.227 into 10 power minus 2 nanometer. Potential difference is de Broglie wavelength 1.227 into 10 power minus 2 nanometer. 1.227 into 10 power minus 11 meter. 1 nano means 10 power minus 9. Minus 9 minus 2 means minus 11. I will write this one like this. 0.1227 into 10 power minus 10 meter. 0.1227 angstrom unit. This is the wavelength. Okay. The wavelength given, they are asking potential difference from for electron. Lambda is equal to 12.27 by root V. Here lambda will be in angstrom units. That's why we are converting lambda as in angstrom unit. 0.1227 12.27 by root V. This will cancels by 100 times. Root V is equal to 100. V is equal to 100 square 10 power 4 volt. Next, 44, last question. What they are asking, see, light of frequency 1.5 times the threshold frequency is incident on the photosensitive material. What will be the photoelectric current? Frequency is halved and intensity is doubled. Light of, this is photometal, one metal surface. Light of wavelength 1.5 times of threshold frequency is incidented. Some current is produced. I made this as 0.75 nu naught. From 1.5 nu naught, I made frequency half, intensity double. How much current will be there? No current. Why? Because if this frequency is nu naught or nu naught greater than nu naught, then only current will come. The frequency halved means it becomes 0.75 nu naught. So incident frequency will be less than the threshold frequency. No current will be produced. Frequency made half means it becomes 0.75 nu naught. It is less than threshold frequency. So, no photoelectric current will come. So, option will be 0, 44. It will be first option. So, successfully we completed this chapter. We'll stop now for this session. We'll continue with atoms in the next class. Okay, thank you.